there, snow stars! I'm Elfie, Santa's helper, and this is my new forest friend, a wild boar. He's snipping for acorns, but I think he found a pine cone. Today we are drawing a wild boar. Did you know boars use big snouts to dig under snow for snacks like roots and mushrooms? Grab your markers. Snout first.
Draw with me out in the yard by Santa's tree. The snow is falling crisp and white. Let's draw a boar with joy and light. He's brave and kind with cozy fur. His snout goes wiggle, snuff and purr. Dark brown coat with patches gray. We'll draw him step by step today. Draw and sing, follow my hand. Shapes and start with a bean-shaped curve, it's slow. Loop, loop goes the line in snow. Boop, boop, ears and button eyes. Little flick, flick, tail behind. Strong little legs go 1, 2, 3. A careful line, just follow me. We shape his hooves so neat and wide. He walks with pride in snow outside. Draw and sing, follow my hand. Shapes and colors, soft and grand. Draw and sing, it's just like play. We'll make some for a start today. Draw and sing, follow my hand. Shapes and colors, soft and grand. Draw and sing, it's just like play. We'll make some for a start today. Now zigzag strokes for furry lines. Ups, up marks like snowy pines. Color his coat with earthy blend. From brown to gray, let colors bend. His snout is big and strong and round. A little pink where snow is found. Head to tusk curves soft and shy. They peek beneath his gentle eye. Draw and sing, follow my hand. Shapes and colors, soft and grand. Draw and sing, it's just like play. We'll make some for a start today. Draw and sing, follow my hand. Shapes and colors, soft and grand. Draw and sing, it's just like play. We'll make some for a start today. Sniff, sniff, lines for frosty air. Pop, pop, dots, some here, some there. Add some snowflakes near his feet. A swoosh, swoosh sky so calm and sweet. Behind him pine trees green and likes a playful spot. Swirl, swirl, stripes on his back we add. He looks so warm, so brave, so glad. Shadows here and sparkles there, a touch of magic in the air. The forest glows, the snowflakes gleam. Your drawing feels just like a dream. Draw and sing, follow my hand. Shapes and colors, soft and grand. Draw and sing is just like play. We'll make some forest art today. Draw and sing, follow my hand. Shapes and colors, soft and grand. Draw and sing is just like
Look what we made! It's wild and wonderful, just like you! Next time, we'll explore the winter forest and meet more snowy friends. See you soon, little artists! Here you go, little ones. Carrots for you, and seeds for the birds.
You did it slow, you did it well. With every line your story fell. Each little curve a part of you. That's what true artists always do. Our boar's done, he's calm